High School.
Okay. I can do that. Yeah, I was in Cedar Hill to my sophomore year of high school.
Oh, okay.
And then we moved to Waxahachie.
Oh, wow. Not too much further.
Not too bad. Just a lot more country.
Yeah.
I mean, I listen to my voice. I'm pretty country, but you know, Cedar Hill is more Dallas than and Waxahachie was. Yeah, I was a Cedar Hill Longhorn. My girlfriend was a high stepper.
Yeah, I didn't go to Cedar Hill High School. I actually went to Hillcrest.
Oh, okay.
My sister finished her senior year at Cedar Hill.
Oh, okay. Around what time frame was that?
Oh, this was just
recently?
2 years ago.
Okay. It was a long time ago that I was there. I was thinking about it, and I'm coming up on... Wow, just saw that happen. I'm gonna... Oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna cancel without charging. You can hang out with me until your next driver gets here, but I've got a dash cam.
Okay.
So I kind of feel like I have to stay. Okay? Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm gonna... Actually, I have to complete it, so it's going to charge you, but while you're sitting in here, I'll send them an email doing it. But if you want to go ahead and request somebody, $5.
Awesome.
There we go, offline.
Did he even stop?
Yeah, he's right there. Alright, let me get off the... I'm not on both lanes here. If you want to do 2000 West Camp Wisdom Road, and then shoot them a text. You good?